Today we're on step 8 of the Dubsado blueprint. We are calling this step adding windows and doors. We're adding the windows and doors to the home of your new CRM, Dubsado. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a lead capture to your website.
To get to the page I'm on, I went to the left pane and under templates, I selected forms. Then I went to lead captures. You'll hit the plus sign to create your lead capture. If you are unsure of what a lead capture is, it will be the contact form that you can put on your website if you desire to. You can always share a link from Dubsado to this form, but if you want to embed it on your website, I'll show you how to do that here. You'll create the information that you want to capture here by using these elements on the side, and then you'll hit Save as Template. You can see now that I have two buttons here, Edit and Share. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Share. This box will open up. You can highlight and copy the iframe code that's listed, and then you'll paste that into your website on the page you desire to have your lead capture on. If you decide that you don't want to share your lead capture, you can use this direct link here, and you can share that with your clients. It looks really savvy to have the lead capture embedded on your website, so I recommend that way to go.
If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do that so that you can get more tips and tricks on how to use Dubsado. There's one more step to the Dubsado blueprint. I'll see you in the next video.